Good morning, beautiful souls, beautiful brave hearts. I hope you are having a magic day. It's a very magical day in our part of the world. I'm coming to you from the beautiful Vella Beach, which is very close to Nambucca Heads. And at Nambucca Heads, over the next 3 weeks, an incredible event is taking place. Dr. Dale Wolf and our incredible team of master trainers are taking about 30 beautiful souls through a journey of incredible transformation. And the heading of my video this morning is, what are you willing to let go in order to grow? And, you know, we all believe and we think that the answer to change, to healing is outside of us. And they say, you know, the most important day of our lives is the day that we are born. And the second most important day is the reason when we know why. And it's an incredible opportunity for us to awaken and to choose ourselves. And this incredible training that we're about to embark in is really finding our authentic self, realizing that the control of our lives isn't in others, but it's actually that we are the creator, the director, and the producer of our own lives. And this incredible work that I've been so lucky to do, I've been studying with Dr. Wolf for quite a while now, is, you know, this incredible journey of taking full responsibility and realizing that the answer isn't outside us. And once we open that flame, that gift, when we come inside and learn to love, nurture, honor, and respect ourselves first and foremost, it's like a flower that's opening. First, we start with a very, very gentle seed. Then we water that seed. And then we have this incredible awakening on the outside. It's not on the inside. Sorry, it's not on the outside. And, you know, then from there, magic can happen. And when we realize that we are magnificent energy, spirit beings, and our frequency that we put out is then reflected externally to us. And what I have noticed, when we grow and find stillness and connect with the power, the magnificence who we are, then we have incredible brothers, soul brothers and sisters actually joining our family. And this incredible soul family is a family where we don't judge each other, we don't punish each other, but we actually lovingly hold the line for each other and only accept the absolute best. And sometimes that means being really honest and being very truthful, even though that hurts. But, you know, it's this tough love and getting real. And we are in the business of healing and activating and inviting our brothers and sisters to come on a journey with us of healing, of transformation. And, you know, I have a deep passion for nature. We live at a beautiful rainforest retreat, which Dr. Wolf came in and visited over the last day. And I believe that when we learn to honor our inner nature, the magnificence of who we are, this incredible vessel that we have been gifted, and we really understand intimately what it takes to live our best life, to nourish ourselves with the food that we have. And it's not, you know, we don't eat, we nourish high vibrational food, and then beautiful hydrating water, beautiful structured water to energize ourselves so everything can work and work magnificently together. And then the emotional part, so taking time to sit still, to reflect, to really connect within. And, you know, finding time for stillness is difficult for most of us, but it's like anything, what we practice, what we put energy into grows. And in order to be on this incredible journey of transformation, you know, we need to be willing to let go of what no longer serves us. So the friends that have unhealthy habits and that we feel judged by, we need to keep up with, to let those go. To choose an environment that is nourishing where we live. So to create a beautiful sanctuary at home, take all the garbage out, have a look at your fridges and your cupboards and what you are buying, to really honor yourself in that way. And then to be on this journey, and, you know, health is a language and health is a process, and it's just loving, gentle steps, 1% every day, over 100 days, is a magnificent, incredible change. And, you know, to be on this journey of transformation and realizing that really you are on the right path is, you know, when you wake up in the morning, that you have a glow, you have a vibrancy, you have a knowing, you have an excitement and energy, and you are aligned to your purpose and your passion. And a lot of my life, I have had a feeling of not being good enough, not being loving enough, not having done enough. But in the last few weeks, I've had this deep realization that I have learned to honor, love, and respect. And I'm really here in the service to others. Good morning, Michelle Roberts. So lovely to have you. And that, you know, I am enough. I have done enough. And it's actually time to stop doing. It's time to start being and just finding stillness, and no longer to rescue others, because by filling up my own heart and my own cup and being in service to myself first, only then can I really make a difference to others. So beautiful brothers and sisters, beautiful brave hearts, this is an invitation for you to have a look into your own life, to look at what's weighing you down, what's not serving you, in order to create space, to find the magnificence of yourself, to fall in love with yourself and this life, because this life is so short. In the next few days, we will be sharing with you some of the incredible trainings, the beautiful souls who are doing the training at Nimbaka Heads. And I feel so honored to be chosen as the host to facilitate this incredible, incredible experience. So, self-love is the only love. Honor, love, and respect yourself, and to stay in the present moment. Sending you so much love, and I will talk to you soon. Have a magnificent day.